Namaste Goddess, it's Coach Kala and welcome to the series on how to meditate for busy women. We're going to do another 5-minute meditation of a different type. Before we did a breath awareness meditation at the abdomen, which is wonderful for calming, grounding. I'm sure you felt great if you did the practice with me. And so this time I'm going to do another type of meditation that's just 5 minutes because I'm just feeling like, if you truly feel that you're that busy, I want you to be able to try it without feeling that it's taking so much time, okay? As I said in the first video, though, the time you put into meditation, especially even after a couple of weeks, like 2 weeks, you'll start to see for yourself that your day becomes smoother and you have more time. That is the paradox of meditation. That's what's wonderful about it. So I'm going to put a timer for 5 minutes, and this is one that you can do at your desk. It's going to be a very quick body scan meditation. And now what I want to say to you, Goddess, is I don't want you to get overwhelmed or confused. Okay, you go on YouTube, there are literally hundreds of thousands of videos on meditation. They fall into basic types. The thing is, people will give them cute names or names that make them searchable, like meditation for calm and anxiety, meditation for this, meditation for that. Just know there are actually only a limited number of types of meditation, okay? So this is one type based on meditating on the body, okay? So get ready. And I'm going to click the timer and I'm going to try to keep it just to 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, we have like a 10-second to get ready. So put your feet flat for me. Again, you can do this at your desk. 3 deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. This is to relax your body. As you breathe out, feel that you're letting stress just go right down off your body, off the shoulders. Rest your hands on your lap, and Goddess, hopefully you are seated. Body scan meditation. Become aware of your feet, your toes, the arches of your feet and your toes. We're doing both legs at the same time. We go through the body symmetrically with your awareness. All you're doing is feeling your feet, the toes, the arches of the feet, the ankles. The calf muscles. So both right and left. Just scan right through your calf muscles. And you're just noticing anything that comes up. You just have to look at the time because it is a relatively short meditation. Now travel through your thighs, from your knees through your thighs. Just feel them, feel the weight, any sensations. You're doing great. So your mind is focused on your body, the specific area, the pelvis, the buttocks, and feel the weight of your body in contact with the chair or cushion. The pelvis, the belly. Notice sensations, warmth, coolness, tingling, itching. As you breathe in next, feel the chest and the shoulders. The chest, the shoulders, the rib cage, and around to the upper back and middle back. The upper and middle back and the chest. Being aware. As you breathe in next, attention to your shoulders. Notice the shoulders. It's very common that we might feel some tension, tightness, or even pain there. But whatever you notice is fine. Simply by bringing your precious attention, you are creating relaxation. Even if you don't feel it yet, you're creating healing. Let's go right to the fingers, the hands, the fingers, the hands, the forearms, the elbows and upper arms. Let your arms be heavy. Your elbows are bent and relaxed. From the fingers all the way through the arms, up through the shoulders, the neck and throat, the neck and throat. Just noticing. Anything you notice is fine. The work is the attention that you're bringing. That's all. Not what you find, but the fact that you're bringing your attention and your concentration. And finally, and we've done it in the time, notice the back of your head, the back of the skull, come around to the face, the eyes, the cheeks, the mouth. Breathe in, feeling all of that. Breathe out. And now, just in the last few seconds, feeling your entire body. So as we prepare to close the meditation, see if you can sweep from your feet up, 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 all the way through the top of your head. And now exhale, sweep back down. Sweep through your body like you're a scanning machine. You're like one of those airport scanners. You're just scanning through, sending healthy rays of love right through the body. You're just scanning, and you're all the way back down to your feet. As you hear the bell now, that was 5 minutes. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale, open your eyes when you're ready. Exhale through your mouth. Blink a few times. That was 5 minutes. So that is relatively fast to do a body scan. Don't judge yourself if you felt a little rushed, because I was going quickly in order to keep it short. What I will do is make 10-minute versions of all of these meditations for you. So look out for them, subscribe to my channel, and follow this playlist of meditation for busy women. So this was a body scan meditation. So even if you go and you check others, you're going to start to know the different types. They may give them funny titles, but I don't want to necessarily do that. I want you to really start to understand meditation and understand the different types. So meditation is all about your awareness. You can focus your awareness on a mantra, sound, or a word, on a physical thing like your body, or on the breath. You can also focus on emotions specifically and sort of more contemplatively, but those are the basic groupings. Okay? Don't get confused. Don't get overwhelmed. You don't have to learn 1,000 meditations. No, you don't. They're just different names. Everybody's titling their video differently and making up names, okay? I'm giving you the classic. I know they're kind of boring, but this is a body scan, and this way you know, okay? I'm so glad you were here, Goddess. I am a coach working with women one-on-one or in groups, virtually, helping women who are healing from stress, anxiety, or burnout. And if you'd like to know more about me, I'll put some videos here. And again, come back for the next video in the series. I will be posting them regularly. Okay, thank you so much. Give the video a thumbs up. And the question, if you have time to answer the question, is what did you notice when you were doing the body scan? Did you notice any tension, tingling? Did you feel hot or cold? What specific sensations did you notice? I would love to know. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.